from Cyclone, and I will try my best to introduce you now another energy storage product. And the energy storage product you were seeing behind me, that's a 40-feet container energy storage, and the energy capacity is 1.8 megawatt per hour. Yeah, that's a huge one. So yeah, I will try my best to explain what's going on, how we designed the system. And okay, so guys, follow me here. So the whole system has two parts. One is the power conversion part, and another one is the energy storage part. So yeah, I will ask my colleague to help me open the door so you can see it more clearly. Alright, so that's the front door of the system. So you can see. So here is the power conversion system installed going on. So we have in total 12 battery packs installed here. And we have the power conversion system, which is 600 kilowatt. I will show you the system here. So here you can see our PCM 100 modules are installed here, and the communication between the battery and the PCS system is the CAN communications. And we have here the AC power supply system here. Yes, so the AC feeding supplies, they are like going here, and you can see the DC system as well here, which is like the PCS and the battery packs. They are like, they have two lines. One is the power line, and another one is the communication line. So the PCS system has the individual system installed here. So this is the HMI part of the system, which you can see the modes, the different working modes, the status, the voltage, like the status of charge and stuff. And by the way, here's the interesting thing. We have implemented the energy management system, which you can have access remotely, and then you can integrate with your system, and you can have the full access of the system working from your home or working from your office. That's pretty cool, right? And the communication, the output communication of the CMS system, this is the Modbus TCP/IP communication. And here you can see the circuit breakers, as we have like 12 battery packs. So we have like individual circuit breakers for each battery pack. So 6 are installed here, and another 6 are installed here. And here are some other relays of the system installed here. And by the way, we have put some 220 volt power outlet for you guys. So for maintenance purpose, if you are coming with your own device, let's say your own laptop, and you need to charge your laptop, there you go, just connect here and you will have the power here. So yeah, that's pretty much the power conversion thing going on here. And I would like to introduce you more things going on here, and I would like to introduce you more to our storage compartment over there. So yeah, so let's go, you can follow me. That's part of our heating and ventilation system going on here. And we have multiple heating and ventilation system installed in the whole system, as you can see, equipped with the air filter. And here is one as well. So before we go inside, I would like to show you like the password system. So we have implemented the password system, so only the maintenance personnel have the access to the system. So yeah, I will try to open the storage compartment now, and we also have the fire alarm system installed here, as you can see. Yep. So yep, so like if the maintenance personnel is inside, and he can lock the door from inside and then unlock the door. Yeah, he has the full access. So at the entrance of the storage system, as you can see, we have the sensor system going on here, the lighting system here, and the alarms, fires system are installed over here. And we have another fire extinguisher installed in that part, and a ventilation system. Yep. So here basically we have two main system going on. One is the storage system and another one is the HVAC system. So as you can see, we have in totally 12 battery rack installed here, and here is our battery module. As you can see, this is the number 12 rack, and this is a 38.4 volt and 200 ampere hour system, and we have also a controller for the battery rack here, and it has the individual battery management system, and also each battery module has their own individual heating and ventilation system here. And yeah, they are all connected. It's like a whole battery pack. And in PCS system, in your management system, you can access the data for an individual battery rack. So it will show you the voltage, the currents, and the status of charge for an individual battery rack. Yep, here is another battery rack. This is the number 6, and this is the number 5. And as you can see, this is our first number 2 HVAC system. So in totally we have 2 HVAC system installed here to maintain an environment for the battery, the working environment, and it balances the working temperature, and it's all automatic, and it also has its individual controller, the display here, so it shows all the information for the temperature going on here. So this is the second one, and we have another HVAC system installed in that side. As you can see, we have another, this is the number 1 HVAC system, and in totally we have 12 battery pack, and this is the thermal wall for separating the power conversion system and the energy storage system. So that part is the power conversion system going on, and the whole battery system and the PCS system, they are all time communicating with the CAN communication. Yep, and as you can see, we have implemented the fire alarm system here. So if something goes wrong, you can have the alarm and it knows what to do. It will activate the distinguisher, and yep. And this is pretty quiet.
Okay,
Yep.
great.
As you can see, this is a pretty rocked design, completely designed to have a like rush working environment with the water protection, heat protection. We have implemented the industry standard insulation system here, so it's a pretty rock design.